Dear 5th class students, very good morning. This is M. Shagar sir. Today our class Astrogen Volume 1. So our mathematics book, workbook. Mathematics we have 3 books there in Volume 1. So workbook. So first book is over and I come to second book or your today class your page number 34. Page number 34. See here, convert the following. Convert means here giving so many units, length, breadth or kilogram, gram. So we have to take any measurements, just we have to change kilogram or gram. Here given gram, we have to change kilogram to grams, or sometimes given in kilograms we have to change gram and milligram, like that is here. Okay, now see here, 1 kg is equal to 1 kilograms is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now come to here, see here, 10,870 grams. What is your first to convert the units to 10,870 grams. 1 kg means 1000, 2 kg means 2000, 3 kg means 3000. We have to write this one simply. One, see here, it is 10,000 plus 870. Any problem? No problem. 10,000 plus 870, 10,870. Now see here, 1,000 1, 2,000 2 kg, 3,000 3 kg, 4,000 4 kg, 5,000 5 kg, 6,000 6 kg, 7,000 7 kg, 8,000 8 kg, 9,000 9 kg, 10,000 10 kg. How many? 10,000 means 10 kgs. What is here remaining? Here 10,000, no, it is 10 kgs. What is here remaining? 870 grams. What is the first one? 10,870 grams means 10 kilograms, 870 grams. Okay, next come to second one, 17,934. We have to write this one, 17,000 plus 934. 17,000 plus 934. 1,000 1 kg, 2,000 2 kg, 3,000 3 kg, 4,000 4 kgs, 5,000 5 kgs, 6,000 6 kgs, 7,000 7 kgs, 8,000 8 kgs, 9,000 9 kgs, 10,000 10 kgs. But here more than 10 kgs, 11 12 13 14 15 16, 16,000 16 kgs, 17,000 17 kgs. What is here 17,000? It means it is belongs to 17 kgs. So what is here remaining? 934. So here 17 into 1000, 70,000 plus 934. So 17,934 grams means 17 kgs, 934 grams. Okay, simple. Now see here, 14,328 grams. Okay, we have to write this one, 14,000 plus, what is here remaining? 328. 14,000 plus 328, 14,328 grams. 1,000 1 kg, 2,000 2 kg, 3,000 3 kg, 4,000 4 kg, 5,000 5 kg, 6,000 6 kgs, 7,000 7 kgs, 8,000 grams 8,000, 9,000 grams 9 kgs, 10,000 grams 10 kgs, 11,000 grams 11 kgs, 12,000 grams 12 kgs, 13,000 grams 13 kgs, 14,000 grams 14 kgs. Here 14,000 grams means 14 kgs. What is here remaining? 328. It is simple. Okay, next see here. Here milligrams, grams is there. Here 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Now we have to write here this one, 19,000 plus 76. We have to write here 19,076. 19,000 plus 76. Here 1,000 milligrams 1 grams, 2,000 milligrams 2 grams, 3,000 milligrams 3 grams, 5,000 milligrams 5 grams, 10,000 milligrams 10 grams, 15,000 milligrams 15 grams, 16,000 milligrams 16,000 6 grams 16 grams, 17,000 milligrams 17 grams, 18,000 milligrams 18 grams, 19,000 milligrams 19 grams. Here 19,000 milligrams means 90 grams. What is here remaining? 70 milligrams. Okay, simple. Okay, what is this one? Milligrams. Same this one. Okay, we have to write this one. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It means 16,000 plus 793. 16,000 plus 793. 16,733. So here 1,000 milligrams 1 gram, 2,000 milligrams 2 grams, 15,000 milligrams 15 grams, 16,000 milligrams 16 grams, 16,000 milligrams 16 grams. What is here remaining? 793. Okay, now see here, half kgs means 1 kg means 1000 grams. హాఫ్ మీన్స్ దీంట్లో సగం అని, కేజీలో సగం హాఫ్, మరి దీంట్లో కూడా సగమే కదా. హాఫ్ కేజీస్ మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ గ్రామ్స్? హాఫ్ కేజీ అంటే హాఫ్ కేజీ అంటే కేజీలో సగం అంటే దీంట్లో కూడా సగమేనన్నా, దీంట్లో సగం ఎంత? 500. ఓకే, హాఫ్ కేజీస్ మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ గ్రామ్స్? 500 grams. Now see here, ton, T means ton, 1 ton. 1 ton is equal to 1T అని రాస్తాను. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1 ton is equal to TONN, టన్ను. TONN అని రాయండి, టన్ లేదా టీ అని పెట్టుకోండి. 1 ton ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1000 grams. అంటే 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg అలాగా. 100 kgs మీన్స్ 1 క్వింటా. క్వింటాల్ అంటారు, తెలుసు కదా. క్వింటా అంటే 100 kgs. అలాగే 1000 grams 1 ton. మనకు లారీల మీద ఏదైనా చెక్కలు కానీ కర్రలు కానీ వేసేటప్పుడు ఎన్ని టన్నులు ఉందంట కదా, వింటూనే ఉంటాం. 1 ton మీన్స్ how many kgs? 1000 kgs. Now see here how many thousands? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 23,000. 1 ton, 1,000 అంటే 1 ton, 2,000 అంటే 2 tons. ఇలాగ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటే 20,000, 20 tons, 21,000, 21 tons, 22,000, 22 tons, 23,000 kilograms means 23 tons. ఓకే, సో టన్నులు వేరు నాన్న. మనకి ఎంతవరకే తెలుసు. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? మిల్లీగ్రాము, గ్రాము, అలాగే కిలోగ్రాము, తర్వాత క్వింటాలు, టన్ను, ఇది మనకు తెలుసు. నెక్స్ట్ సి హియర్ 13,1600 grams. వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ వన్. 13,000 plus 600. So 1,001, 2,002, 3,003, like that is 13,000, 13 tons. And what is your remaining kilograms? 600 kilograms. Okay, 13,600 means 13 tons plus 600 kilograms. Okay, Nana. So 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. 1 quinta means 1 quinta means how many grams? How many kgs? 100 kgs. అలాగే 1000 kilograms means 1 ton. 1000 kgs తీసుకుంటే 1 ton అంటాం. ఇలాంటివి చాలా వస్తాయి మనకి. చూడండి ఒకసారి. 1000 milligrams 1 grams, 1000 grams 1 kilograms, 100 kilograms 1 quintal, 1000 kilograms 1 ton. ఈ విధంగా ఓకేనా. ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ వన్. ఐ విల్ సెండ్ సెకండ్ వీడియో. డోంట్ రైట్ విత్ పెన్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ విత్ పెన్సిల్. Okay, dear 5th class students, this is Sagar sir. This is second video. So now see second one, it means page number 34. So this is over. Come to second. Use greater than, less than or equal to make each statement true. So 1 kg means 1000 grams. Okay, kg ante nana 1000 grams. Now see here. Here 1 kg means 1000, 2 kg means 2000. It means 2 kg. 2 kg means 2000. Which one is just 2000? It means 2 kilogram. This one is a 2 kilogram. Both are, which one is biggest in these two ones? It is not biggest. Both are equal. That's why we have to keep here equal symbol. So here 2000 grams means 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms. Okay, next come to here. 3234 grams. 1 kg means 1000 grams. 2 kgs means 2000 grams. 3 kgs means 3000 grams. Here 3000 and 3 kgs means 3000 grams. Here more than 3000. It means 3.234 kilograms. It is a 2 kilogram. It is a 3 kilograms. Now see here, we have to write this one. 3.234 kgs. Now it is 2 kgs. Which one is biggest? 3.234 than 2 kgs. We have to keep here greater than symbol. Next, now see here, it is 9.876 kgs. It is 9 point. It is 10 kgs. So it is nearly 10, but it is a 10. Which one is biggest? 10 kgs is a biggest. So we have to keep here less than symbol. Okay, 3 is completed. Now come to this one. Here how many grams? Now see here, 1000. Where is this one? 1000 grams 1 kgs. Okay, here 2000 grams 2000 grams 2 kgs, 3000 grams 3 kgs, 4000 grams 4 kgs, 5000 grams 5 kgs, 6000 grams 6 kgs, 7000 grams 7 kgs, 8000 grams 8 kgs. It means we have to write this one 8.269 kgs. Okay, 8.269 kgs. 8269 grams means 8.269 kilograms. So it is 1 kg. Which one is biggest? First one is biggest. So we have to keep here greater than symbol. Now see here, it is 1235. 1000 grams means 1 kg. So we have to write this one 1.235 kilograms. It is 1.235 kilograms. It is 10 kg. Which one is biggest? This one is biggest. Okay, keep here less than. See here, 6 grams is 7 kgs. It is means grams, it is kg. Which one is biggest? Kg is biggest. Okay, now see here, 1370 grams means 1.876 grams. Sorry, 376 grams. ఇది 1 kg 376 గ్రాములు. But it is 8000 grams means 8 kilograms. So which one is biggest? This one is biggest. So we have to keep here less than. Now come here, 1000 grams 1 kg, 2000 grams 2 kg, 3000 grams 3 kgs, 4000 grams 4 kg. It is also 4000 means 4 kgs. So what is your symbol? Is equal, both are same. Next here 3 grams, here 8 kilograms. Which one is biggest? Kilograms is biggest more than grams. Next see here, 837 grams not equal to 1 kilogram. ఇది 1 kg కూడా దగ్గరకు లేదు నాన్న. సో విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్? ఇది 1 kg కూడా లేదు, ఇది 8 kilogram 8 kgs. విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్? దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్. సో హౌ మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిమైనింగ్? 2 questions is remaining. We have to do these 2 questions are homework for your today class. Okay, page number 34. First question, second question is over. I will say second third question in the it means next class. So don't use with pen now, you have to write with pencil. These two are homework for you. Okay, thank you.